Monday the 24th of July. Bitcoin update. We can see that Bitcoin is quite boring on the higher time frames. Nothing changed here since actually 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago already. Still in that range. We're now at the low of that range. Last week already I said I do see the possibility that we go for 28,000, at least going for 29,400, but there is a possibility that we do make a bit of a bigger correction. But I must show you again, it is not changing my bullish outlook on the higher time frame. So even if we do make this move, I still expect this leg to play out. Could be just a minor correction which is going to be a bit bigger than just this range. But if you look at this total move, it is not really dramatic. If we go to the lower time frame and check what is the price action from the past days, you can see here 29.4. It's what I marked already for quite some time to be taken out. That will happen in my belief. The trickiness is more on a lower time frame. You can see clearly that the stronger moves are to the downside, but last week's high hasn't been taken out. We do have two tops. Yesterday we had another one. I warned for this one yesterday. I said, well, this is the weekend range. We're probably going to take out those highs and then come down. That perfectly happens, but I also see the following. This is a higher low, this is a higher low, a higher low. We do have lower highs here, but that is also meaning there is a lot of liquidity above here. That makes me think there are two options for me. First option is we go straight to 29,400, take it out, and then maybe some bounce before possibly more downside. But with that liquidity above here, we might get a nasty move in the coming days, maybe with FOMC, to take that liquidity before coming down. Could also happen like this, 29,400, this move. Well, that's not really what I expect. Look, this would be WXY, and that would mean that this X is coming here, and then we get the move towards 28,000. So as long as this low here is not broken, I think we have a good chance that we see some nasty stop hunt and take the liquidity above here, which is 30,460. So I would say we go down 29,400 for first target, towards 28,000 second target, with the possibility of that nasty move later in the week to take that liquidity before really going down. All by all, just like all the past weeks, a big chop, and I can only say or advise, don't get burned in those smaller moves on the lower time frames, and wait for cleaner price action, because it's quite tricky. That's it for today. Have a good one.